Hello everyone. For this one again you may require the paper and the thread for this activity. First you just have to take the square sheet of the paper and now you just have to fold it diagonally and you just have to make a triangular shape. Now from both ends you just have to fix it and you just have to fold it. You just have to make some of the folds towards the inner portion. As apparent on your screens, just pause the video and follow the each step in a proper sequential manner so that your activity won't get ruined. If we talk about the difficulty level, then this is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 9 to 10. Hang it with the help of a thread. Let's try to make these cute little tiny bags. For this one, you may require again a square sheet of the paper. You just have to first fold it diagonally, make a marking at the center. Now fold it in such a way so that a triangular shape is made. Now from both the corners, you just have to fold it. Once you have made these folds, you just have to open it. And now from the center area, you just have to make the another fold, add some of the features of the bunny. And now you just have to make a hanging so that you can hold this basket. For this one, you may require some paper strips. Inside, you can place your cute little things. Let's try to make another type of the basket that's circular in shape. First, you just have to make some stripes of the paper and you just have to place them one after the another as shown here. Now you just have to build it from the different shapes as shown here. You can just pause the video and give it a definitely try. This activity is very simple and it's best suitable for the girls that are between the age group of 7 to 8. Now you can decorate it with the help of some beautiful flowers. This is very good and very easy. Let's try to make these cute little again. We can say the money holders. For this one, you may require the square sheet of the paper and you just have to fold it diagonally and after that you just have to trim it down and make the bunnies out of it. Now you just have to fold them together. You just have to make some of the features with the help of a pen or even you can make use of the marker or some beautiful colors. Now fix them properly. This activity is very simple. It's very less time consuming also. This is so cute. Let's try to make these fish little toys. For these one you may require these double-sided tape and for this one you just have to fill it and now the transparent one is very important. Inside it you just have to place some of the glue and some of the sparkles. Now you just have to fold it and fix it properly. This activity is a little bit time consuming but it's worth investing because the toy that comes out to be at the end are so cute and you will love to try to make this one. This activity is very cute and very easy. It's a girlish one best suitable for the girls between the age group of 11 to 12. This type of the activity requires some of the patience. Let's try to make these another tiny cute little bags. For this one, square sheet of the paper is required. You just have to fold them and you just have to make creases from 4 ends and now you just have to reopen the creases. After that you just have to make more folds. You can just pause the video and then follow the each step in a sequential manner. If we talk about the time consumption of this activity, you may require 10 to 15 minutes for this one if you will become pro in it. Decorated with some stickers. Let's move further. For this one, I am taking this pattern sheet of the paper that's inspired from the check design. After that, you just have to fold it from the center. You just have to refold it. You just have to unfold it actually. After that, you just have to again fold it from both the ends. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused. Follow the each step in a sequential manner. This activity is very simple and it's very easy. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 11 to 12. Try to make these cute tiny little carrots inside which you can place the different type of the things. It's actually the wrapping for giving someone the gift. For this one you may require the square sheet of the paper. Just fix the ends using double-sided tape. Inside place the thing that you are going to give. Thank you for watching.